Hi, this is Rao from TryWp.io and I am going to show you how TryWp can help you create test drives and test sites for your themes and plugins. We can see it in action by looking at some of the test site servers for ACF and Bricks. Once a server is set up, you can create multiple base templates for your theme or your plugin. For the purpose of this video, I am going to act as a team member of MetaBox.io. So I have already signed up to TryWp.io and I have received some emails explaining that I can set my password. Okay, let's try to log in. Okay, once I log in, I can see it's a multi-site installation where there is a network admin and looks like I'm a super admin. And then there is this default template which is also they have created for me. Let's visit the main site, how it looks like. Okay, so the home page is set up with some place to add the templates that we may create, and the user can fill in this form and create the test site link. Okay, since I'm going to create this setup for MetaBox, so let's try to install it. Let's quickly add the pro version of the MetaBox as well. Now let's go to the template which shall be used as our base for creating any new test sites. And for this purpose, let's quickly import some of the custom fields that I have already created for this video. So these are fields, some for the book details, and let's review it. So these are some of the fields that are already created. Okay, let's create a post and make it a little personal for this template. Let's also add a theme. The theme that they offer is the E-Star theme. We shall need to go to the admin, network admin, to install themes. We are just installing these plugins and themes so that user can have access to activate these as per their testing needs. Let's activate it. Now let's go back to our default template, themes, and let's activate this newly provided theme. Let's update the home page as well. So whatever changes we are making of the default template shall be used as a base. So let's quickly view it. So whenever someone creates a test site, he will get this default template as a base, but we can change these settings. So let's try to do it. Let's see what options we have got. So there are just some general settings like what roles are to be assigned to the new users, what will be the test site expiry, which is in number of hours. We can extend it to up to like 720 hours, which is 30 days. This setting can help you to limit your monthly bill. So you can select which template can be used as a default template. So if we have multiple templates which we can create under the site settings. So if we create a new one, okay, let's get back to our settings and try to reload. Now this second template is also available to be selected as a default template. Okay, you can also create a dashboard assist page which is kind of welcome page. I will show you in some other video the details of what we can do. One option which is quite good is that we can set up some custom URL where the new user will be redirected. So being a MetaBox user, I would like users to be redirected to this page. So let's just copy this section after the WP admin and let's paste it over here, and let's hit the save changes. We can also set up some of the notification settings. So the default email is the my email, where all the notifications shall be sent. This one is related to the monthly limit reached. I can also customize the admin notices for testing users as well. So then there is this help section, which is kind of handy. We shall have a list of all the testing sites or testing users who have created testing sites. Another setting is this front-end setting, which is related to the form. Okay, let's create a test site now. So I'm going to fill out my details. So hit the link, and I should have received this email. So let me check my email. So I've received a new email, and let's click on this link. So I have been logged in successfully, and I am redirected to the welcome to the Metabox page, which I set in the settings page. And I can see it will be expiring in 2 days, which is actually the 48 hours that we selected during the settings section. Okay, let's try to visit the site, and this is exact replica of the default template that we created. And let's go to custom fields. So being a test user, I have received all the posts and pages and all the settings that we created for the default template. So however we set up the default template, the test sites created will be the exact replica of this template. So let me just quickly move it away, and let's get back to our settings page. And now let's give it a look at the testers list. So this section will display all the testing users that are being registered on our server. Similarly, if I go to the sites section, I can control the expiry of the test sites as well. So for instance, right now it is saying that it will be expiring in 2 days. So if I want to extend, I can give it another extension of 24 hours or a maximum of 720 hours. And I can also reduce the extension if I put the minus sign or negative sign. For instance, if I reduce 24 hours and the expiry has been updated, and now it will be expiring in 24 hours. I hope this video was helpful in explaining how it creates more leads for your softwares. That's all for now. Have fun.